Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the handle for the boot on a Vauxhall Corsa D, which is a quick, simple job. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, step one is to remove this trim panel on the inside of the tailgate. It's held in place by two bolts here inside the grab handles, and this is a close-up of one of those bolts. To remove those bolts, we need a T25 Torx bit like this. And there we go, two bolts successfully removed. The panel is also held in place by various clips around its edge. To release those, simply grab it and pull. We can now access the boot handle, which is that thing down there. Would you like a close-up? Yes? All right then, here you go. Ugh, there's loads of cobwebs down there. Anyway, we now need to remove the power cable that goes to the boot handle. And to do that, simply grab a small flat-headed screwdriver, poke it in here to release the clip on the side of the power cable. See that? And now simply pull the cable out of position. Come on. There we go. We now need an 8mm socket, which is that one. And we can use that socket to remove that nut and this nut, both of which hold the handle to the car. So here come the nuts. There we are. And now the nuts have been removed, we can lift off this black backing plate. We can now simply slide the handle out of position, and as well as pulling from the front, I'm pushing from the back. There we go. By the way, we'd best not be tempted to close the boot because, well, there's no handle to open it with. Let's just leave it like that. As for sourcing a replacement handle, well, they're readily available on eBay, second-hand, typically for about £20. The only issue you may have is getting one in the right colour, particularly if, like me, your car is green. And of course, fitting the new handle is simply the reverse of what we've already done. So, while I do that, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.